Hello, my beautiful listeners. Welcome back to Resilient Hearts, turning breakdowns into breakthroughs. How are you doing today? I get so many messages from women who feel lost, scared, or even overwhelmed by divorce, which is normal. But you know what? You're not alone in this. So, today I'm answering some of the most common questions I get about divorce, about healing, as well as rebuilding your life. And if any of these questions feel familiar to you, I want you to know that in my Silver Divorce Toolkit, we don't just talk about these topics. We dive deep into strategies, resources, and exercises to help you handle these situations with confidence. Whether you're wondering about your children, financial security, or whether you'll ever find love again, this episode is for you. So let's get started. One common question I hear always: how do I know if divorce is the right choice for me? Well, this is one of the hardest questions, and there is no perfect answer. But here's something you can reflect on. Are you staying because there is still love and effort from both sides? Or are you staying because of fear, guilt, or pressure? If your relationship has continuous emotional neglect, abuse, or makes you feel invisible, that's not a marriage. Then you are in a survival mode. In my course, in my divorce toolkit, I provide you a detailed self reflection guide to help you gain clarity. There are worksheets and journal prompts so you can answer this question for yourself. The decision making strategies are also included so you can move forward with confidence. Another question: what about my children? How will divorce affect them? I completely understand this concern because I went through it too. And here's what I want you to know: children don't just listen to your words, they absorb your energy. What helps children most is a safe, stable environment with happy, healthy parent rather than two miserable ones, right? You can help them adjust by keeping routine stable, being open with age appropriate conversations. Also, make them feel loved unconditionally. Now, regarding this as well, my Silver Divorce Toolkit covers this because there's an entire module on parenting after divorce. What you get in that is age appropriate scripts, conversation scripts to talk to your kids about divorce. You can talk about emotional support techniques to help them feel safe, a resilience building worksheet guide to guide them through this change, which is all very, very important. Third, what do I do in an emergency situation if I need to leave immediately? If you need to leave quickly, here's what you should do right now. First, gather important documents, your IDs, bank statements, property papers, child custody documents. Keep digital copies. Secure money. If possible, open a separate bank account and transfer emergency funds. Pack an emergency bag. Clothes, essentials, medications, and anything critical for your child. Find a safe place. This could be a trusted friend, family member, or even women's support organization. Seek legal help as soon as possible. Even if you are unsure about filing for divorce, know your rights and options. Again, in my Silver Divorce Toolkit, you will also find a step-by-step safety plan for emergencies, a downloadable checklist of what to pack and prepare, resources for legal and financial protection so you can act quickly. Fourth question: I'm scared of being alone. What if I never get married again? I'll answer this in a little differently. Let's just reframe this question. Instead of asking, what if I never get married again? How about if you ask, what if I build a life so beautiful that being single isn't scary at all? Your worth is not defined by your relationship status. Take time to rediscover yourself, to find joy in your own company. Heal so that when you meet someone, you choose them from love and not because you're lonely. Again, regarding this, I cover this topic in my Silver Divorce Toolkit as well, where I have an entire section on self-worth and rediscovery, which includes guided exercises to rebuild self-confidence. There are daily self-love practices to enjoy your own company. Dating after divorce is also covered, where, when, and how to open your heart again. These topics are something I cover for this particular question. Now, what if I regret my decision? Fear of regret is normal, but let's again think about it a little differently. Imagine staying in your marriage for 5 more years. How do you feel? Now imagine choosing yourself, healing, and finding joy again. Which version of you feels more alive, more free? In my course, in the toolkit, there are mind-shifting exercises to overcome fear and regret. There's a step-by-step clarity workbook to help you trust your decision. There are journaling prompts to rewrite your narrative from pain to empowerment. Actually, this is one question I wish more women asked. Instead of asking, how will I survive? What if we ask, how can I thrive? See, divorce isn't just an ending. It's a new beginning. This is your chance to rebuild your life on your own terms. So again, regarding this in my divorce toolkit, I guide you through how to rediscover your passion and goals, financial planning and stability strategies, healing exercises to create a life filled with joy, not just for survival. These are a few questions. Let me see if I can think of something more in another episode. But for this episode, let's just have another affirmation as usual. Just breathe in, and as you exhale, let go of fear. Now repeat after me. I am strong. I am capable. I am rebuilding my life with courage and confidence. Let's have another round. I am strong. I am capable. I am rebuilding my life with courage and confidence. And with every breath you take, this truth becomes stronger within you. So, my beautiful listeners, if today's episode answered a question that's been on your heart, I want you to remember this. You are not alone. You're not broken. And you're absolutely capable of creating a beautiful new life for yourself. You don't have to do this or be on this journey alone. That's exactly why I created the Silver Divorce Toolkit, to give you the strategies, clarity, and support you need to move forward. If you are ready to feel more confident, more in control, and more at peace with your decisions, check out the link in the show notes to learn more. And next week, we are diving into something really interesting. Divorce in the headlines. What can we learn from celebrities and social media? If you've ever been curious about why we are obsessed with celebrity breakups or what we can learn from public divorces, you would not want to miss this episode. If you love this episode, please share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you have a question for me, feel free to DM me on Instagram. As always, you're stronger than you think. And I'll see you next week. Bye.